Stevie and Johnny. Enjoying the boxes. Look at those eyes. Stevie goes, eh? Oh, tiger. What you doing, Stevie? You're a big boy. Mikey's over there. He's such an instigator. He's the smallest kitten, the smallest brother, and Johnny's the biggest brother. Yeah? What you doing, Pookie Face? Hey, Mikey. I'm gonna fix your bed now, my love, okay? I'll just fix another bed for you. They're not cold, they're not wet. I am so amazed. I don't know how they're keeping warm. I need little cameras on these kitties. Ah, la 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 la. That'll be so interesting.